guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega in Strawberry Latte for 2019, and for my weekly pages this weekly pages, I have this kit for us, which is part of our Twilight kit. So make sure to stay until the end of the video to see how I transformed this page using this kit. So let's get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and show you what we have here. So this kit, well, all of our kits are for Hobonichi Weeks have 2 pages. This is the second page, and this is what we have. So this is the Edward kit. There is a Jacob kit. As I've said, it is part of our Twilight collection for Valentine's, but instead of using it on Valentine's, I am actually using it now, and it's only mid-January. So I hope you forgive me because I'm going to go ahead and use this, right? And then, so this is Edward, and then this is Bella, and in between them, it says the lion fell in love with the lamb. And then this is the first page. These are the decos. And then this is what you have. So it's like dark woods, and majority of the color is really very navy, because I didn't want to make it really dark, although, you know, navy is pretty dark, don't you think? So let's go ahead and start this plan with me. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the lights a little bit. It's too much lights. Wow, stunning. Okay, there we go. Right, now that our lights are fixed, I'm going to go ahead and take this cover, or rather date cover strips, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. There you go. And then I'm going to take this strip, and then I'm going to put it up at the top, just leaving a little space there. And now it looks like that it's over the page, so I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the bit there. Ooh. Oh no. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and just close the page so that it folds. There you go. That's pretty. And I'm going to take this checklist. I'm going to put it where I usually put it, which is here. Here we are. And then I'm going to take the second page, the smaller one, and I'm going to take this smaller bar. This is for the left side of the page. I did leave a little gap. I'm leaving lots of little gaps everywhere. And then I'm going to take the big box, which is for the right side of the page. Alright, so our page is looking very good. Now what I'm going to do now is to put this away first, and I'm going to line this page using my pens. So instead of using this pen, which is the Pigma Micron that I have used for a really long time, I'm going to use this pen instead. So this is a new one, and this is the Zig Mangaka 05. I'm not sure if there's an 07 or a 1, because I saw this on clearance. Let me go ahead and open it for you first. So this is what it looks like, the tip. So it's a felt tip. I'm going to compare it with the Pigma Micron. I've already talked about this in my last plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin monthly pages, but just showing you. So this is an 02. The Pigma Micron is an 02. So that's why it looks smaller, but at the same time, the tip is very different, because this one has a squarer tip, and this one has a more dome-shaped tip. And I'm going to use this today. I did pen test on this already, using my trusty old ruler. And I'm just going to go ahead and line this, and then get back to you. And this is that page lined. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to this other page, and we're going to figure out what we want to do with that. So last time, okay, I'll put you there. this is what I did. So I have a vertical here, well, sort of vertical, but more like portrait squares. And I just wrote down some special things. By the way, these pages of my Hobonichi Weeks Mega are for home planning. So personal stuff, birthdays, going out with my boyfriend / fiance, and all of that jazz go in here. I also have a shop planner and a cousin and a personal rings and an A5 coil. So all that gets filled out with different topics. But this one is just for the home. So I'm going to go ahead and do my trackers. How did I do my trackers last time? Okay, I just did my trackers. Okay, I haven't been paying attention if the trackers are here. I think I much prefer them on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this like this. So now let's go and get back to stickers. I'm going to put weekend down. Ooh, be very careful with the script stickers, guys, because they are very, very tiny. And then I'm going to take track. I'm going to put it here. And then I'm going to take goals and notes. I should put goals here and then notes at the bottom. See, at all the things, or all the space that you can use. Okay, I'm going to put this on Wednesday. That's a class day. I'm going to put this on Friday, another class day. And then I'm going to take this rose. Oh my gosh, does it fit? Does it fit? Okay, I'm going to take track away. And then put in the rose. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I'm so Team Edward. I'm also very Team Jacob. I really can't decide. Okay. And then I'm going to take the sneakers and put it here. Oh, better. Okay. I'm going to put it sideways. There you go. And then I still have today and to do. So things that are happening today goes here. Hang on. And to do. Okay. And then I'm going to take, oh, actually, this is crooked. Okay, I have decided to mark or use these. Okay, no. Use these anyways. I mean, I'm pretty sure something, if not class, then something else happens on that day. And this page is done. How's the lighting? And then I'm going to take these headers. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put the other header here. That's 20th. Oh, yeah. Big things happening. And then I'm gonna take this, put it down here. Okay, I'm gonna lift the sneakers. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. You guys, are you guys Team Jacob or Team Edward? I'm like, as I've said, I am very much Team Jacob and Team Edward, but Team Edward is hard to beat right now because this is so nice. I am loving it. Okay, here we go. Then I'm gonna take this pen. This is a Papermate Inkjoy Gel 05. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work. Okay, it doesn't quite work, but I don't want to take out my other pen, my white one, my Signo Uniball Signo in white. So I'm just gonna have to live with that, which I'm okay with that. Alright, and lastly, I'm gonna take my Tombow, trusty old Tombow. Okay, hang on. No. Maybe I should take Tokyo Finds. I know, I don't really know what this is. If this is from Tokyo Finds, maybe not. It says Touch right there. And it's the same thing, except that it's in blue. And I thought that'd be great. This is so reliable. I wonder where I got this. I just found this in my stash. So it means that I've had this for a while. Maybe Craft and Knickknack knows. So I'm going to link that channel down below. That is my friend's channel, Nick. She does Bujo. She taught me Bujo. She's my Bujo whisperer. So make sure to check her channel out. She has really good tips, better tips than me. I don't have very good tips. I don't have very good hacks. I just decorate my planner. That is what this channel is about. And with that, we are actually finished with our spread. And I love it. What do you guys think? Do you guys think? I personally love it. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like some more planner videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And you can also find us in our other social media, Instagram, Facebook page, which are paperjoyph, and join our Facebook group, paperjoyph Planning World. Next time, I'm going to go ahead and plan in the other side of my Mega Weeks, which is my shop planner. And these are just the notes pages, and for that, I'm going to be using the Team Jacob kit. So let's see if Team Jacob turns out as good as Team Edward in the other Hobonichi week. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!